The power of love, transforming lives and relationships at home and around the world. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring a powerful theme in Christian faith, love. Love isn't just a feeling, it's a foundational principle that shapes how we engage with the world. In the Bible, we see several kinds of love, each significant in its own right. Let's explore 4 types: Agape, Philia, Storge, and Eros. Understanding God's nature. God is love is a powerful and central theme in the Bible, most famously expressed in 1 John 4 verse 8. He that loveth not knoweth not God, for God is love. KJV. This verse emphasizes that love is not just an attribute of God, but His very essence. It underscores the idea that true love reflects God's nature and character, guiding how we interact with others. Loving others is a direct response to experiencing God's love for us. Agape love is unconditional and sacrificial. It's the love God has for us. As John 3 verse 16 states, "For God so loved the world, that He gave His only begotten Son." Philia is the love of friendship and companionship. In Romans 13 verse 10, we read, "Love worketh no ill to his neighbor, therefore love is the fulfilling of the law." Storge is the love between family members. In 1 Timothy 5 verse 8, it says, "But if any provideth not for his own, and specially for those of his own house, he hath denied the faith, and is worse than an unbeliever." Eros is the Greek word for romantic love, characterized by desire, passion, and intimacy. While often viewed simply as physical attraction, Eros love encompasses a deep emotional connection that can lead to a lifelong partnership. Eros love isn't just about attraction, it's about building a solid foundation of trust, respect, and mutual growth. Ephesians 5 verses 28 to 29 states, "So ought men to love their wives as their own bodies. He that loveth his wife loveth himself. For no man ever yet hated his own flesh, but nourisheth and cherisheth it." Understanding love also means recognizing the biblical foundation of marriage as a union between a man and a woman. Genesis 2 verse 24 states, "Therefore shall a man leave his father and his mother, and shall cleave unto his wife, and they shall be one flesh." This passage emphasizes the sacred bond of marriage, affirming that it is designed for a man and a woman to unite. In Matthew 19 verses 4 to 6, where Jesus reaffirms this teaching, "And he answered and said unto them, Have ye not read, that he which made them at the beginning made them male and female, and said, For this cause shall a man leave father and mother, and shall cleave to his wife, and they twain shall be one flesh?" KJV. In the context of relationships, Eros love thrives on commitment and mutual respect. Ephesians 5 verse 25 teaches us, "Husbands, love your wives, even as Christ also loved the church, and gave himself for it." Love is often misunderstood as merely a fleeting feeling, like butterflies in the stomach. In reality, love is a choice, an action, and a commitment that involves selflessness, patience, and perseverance. It requires effort and intention, especially in long-term relationships. The true nature of love. 1 Corinthians 13 verses 4 to 7. "Love suffereth long, and is kind, love envieth not, love vaunteth not itself, is not puffed up, doth not behave itself unseemly, seeketh not its own, is not provoked, taketh no account of evil, rejoiceth not in unrighteousness, but rejoiceth with the truth, beareth all things, believeth all things, hopeth all things, endureth all things." Let's not forget love for our pets. Proverbs 12 verse 10 states, "A righteous man regardeth the life of his beast." Caring for pets reflects responsibility and compassion, essential aspects of love that resonate with God's heart for all creation. We are called to love not just our friends and family but the world around us. In Matthew 22 verse 39, Jesus tells us, "Thou shalt love thy neighbor as thyself." Matthew 5 verse 9, "Blessed are the peacemakers, for they shall be called children of God. This verse emphasizes that love fosters peace. By embodying love in our actions, we contribute to a more harmonious world, reflecting God's desire for unity among all people. Love, in all its forms, romantic, familial, and towards all living beings, reflects God's character. Let's strive to embody this love in our relationships and our interactions. John 3 verse 16. For God so loved the world, that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth in him should not perish but have everlasting life. This verse highlights God's unconditional love for all people and underscores the importance of love on a global scale. It's crucial to remember that God does not wish for anyone to perish. In 2 Peter 3 verse 9, it is written, "The Lord is not slack concerning his promise, as some count slackness, but is long-suffering to you, not wishing that any should perish, but that all should come to repentance." God has provided a way for us to avoid separation through Jesus Christ. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of love. If you found this video insightful, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's continue to grow in love and understanding together. Until next time, take care and God bless. To learn more about inviting Jesus into your life, please watch the next video.